Got this cool little kit from Probolt. Let's unbox. As you can see, it's a great quality kit. 33 bolts in total, 6 clips, Allen key, and little collars to go on each bolt to prevent there being any damage to the fairings. As you can see, I've now got the Probolt kit out here with the SP1 ready to be fitted. If you have a good look at the quality of these bolts, they're just amazing. This kit is just awesome. I would suggest you have yourself a nice cup of coffee and a nice aerosol lid to put all your old bolts in. I'll be taking off these horrible old 1990s eBay gold bolts to fit these good, well, excellent quality Probolts, and using the Allen key that Probolt provides, get these horrible old bolts out, de-eBay this bike a little bit and put some good quality Probolts in instead. And obviously repeat the process for all your de-eBay needs. Get those 90s bolts out of there. And replace them with your good quality Probolts. It's not very easy to hold a camera. And do bolts up. And it's amazing really how good a couple of bolts can change the look and just make it look like that more professional, better quality build. I mean, the quality of these bolts are outstanding. Just changing a couple of bolts just gives a much better quality look to the bike, I think. And then for the rest of the bike, I suppose. So I'm going to carry on fitting the rest of these. I will put the link in the comments to Probolt. I can thoroughly recommend you buy one of their kits.